Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how we can find the radius and the diameter of a circle. So before we get into that, let's talk about what a circle is, what's the center of the circle, what is the diameter, what is the radius. So some vocabulary to start us off. So first of all, a circle is the set of all points in a plane that are the same distance from a point, which is called the center. So if we look at our diagram on the right side of the screen, we see our circle, we see the center of the circle, and the circle itself is us. Imagine we had a bunch of little points, right, all that are the same distance from the center, and we connected those points, right? That's going to give us a circle, okay? So two other vocabulary words, the diameter and the radius. So the diameter is in purple in our diagram here, and that's simply the distance across the circle through the center, okay? So in geometry, when you get into actual geometry class later on, whether it's in high school or 8th grade, you'll see a more formal definition of what the diameter is. It is a chord, but it's a chord that passes through the center. So you don't need to worry about what a chord is right now. For a diameter, we just know it's the distance across the circle through the center of the circle. So a radius would be the distance from the center to any point on the circle. So essentially, it would be half the distance of the diameter. And that's the two equations that we see there. The diameter is going to be equal to 2 times the radius, twice the radius, or 2 radii put together. And the radius is going to be half of the diameter, or diameter divided by 2. So those are the two equations we can use to help us solve these two examples down here. Okay? All right, so example number 1, we have our circle. We are given the diameter. The diameter is 30 meters, and we want to find the radius. So we can use radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. So the radius is equal to 30 divided by 2, which would be 15 meters. Okay, so the radius for circle number 1 there would be 15 meters, which is half of 30, so that makes sense. For the second one, we are given the radius. The radius is 9. So for the diameter, we can use diameter equals 2r, or twice the radius. So the diameter of this circle would be 2 times 9, which would be 18 meters. Okay, and that's pretty much it. That's how you can find the diameter and the radius of a circle.